Every blog post needs a featured image, but who has time to design one for every single post? In this guide, we'll make WordPress do it. Design once, then let a workflow generate and assign a fresh image for every new post. Start under FlowMattic Image Templates. Templates are reusable designs for OG cards, social posts, and dynamic visuals. Click New Image Template, or let AI generate a starting design for you. Here's the image editor. Your design lives on the canvas, layers on the left, settings on the right. We'll build a 1200 by 630 blog card, brand colors, a logo, and a big, bold title. The magic is tokens. Drop post title into the design, and it becomes a placeholder that fills itself. Add the author name too. Every new post will render its own version. Save the template. Now the automation. Create a new workflow and pick WordPress as the trigger app. Choose the new post trigger. It fires the moment a post is published. That's step 1 on the canvas. 2 more to go. Add an action, image builder, generate image from template. Pick your blog card template, then map the tokens. Post title from the trigger, author from the trigger. This action returns a URL to the freshly rendered image. One last step, add the WordPress action, set post thumbnail. Map the post ID from the trigger and the image URL from step 2. Save the workflow. Time to test. Write a post and hit publish. The moment it goes live, the workflow fires, generates the image, and sets the thumbnail. All in seconds. And here's the result, a branded featured image rendered from your template with this post's own title. No designer, no image editor, no uploads. Check the post. There it is, a perfect featured image assigned automatically. Every future post gets the same treatment, always on brand, always current. Write, publish. Done. Design once, automate forever. That's the FlowMattic way. FlowMattic Image Templates. Set it up today.